So we're here at the Post-Independence Lime hosted by the Jamaican Embassy in Tokyo. And we have several Jamaicans here from all across the island of Japan. And we're just here to have a good time and celebrate our independence. So we're asking them a few questions. Let's go. Ikibasho!
I really miss the jerk chicken cause the whatever them have here. So I'm gonna say it's not too bad, but it's not nowhere compared to nothing compared to the Jamaican jerk chicken. I miss my family, mother, my sister, them, my brethren, them who I usually par with. What else I miss now? Ackee and saltfish. We can't make it here, so but feel kind of different, you know. Miss the beach, miss Ocho Rios and Negril and Montego Bay, them place there. Really miss the beach. We used to visit Elsha all the time, although me here say the beach shore disappear, but me still miss it same way. Just the Jamaican vibes, you know, just the vibes of Jamaica, the liveliness of the people and everything. We're always happy. We always look at the bright side of things. We really miss them kind of things. So yeah, that may I tell you now. So later.
It's about Jamaica. Food, and food. I miss the food. Yeah, sometimes family them send me some jerk season and some chicken season. I'm a cook a little thing and it tastes good and thing, but it not really tastes like when you cook it. I can't get chicken back, so that just hurt my feelings. The saltfish are not really saltfish, that hurt my feelings again. Ackee and saltfish. Miss my family, miss my sister them, miss my niece and my nephew them. Really miss my best friend Corinne. Miss Corinne, miss up my mother. Miss the beach, yeah. It's like beach expire. No, we can't go beach again till next year, July. Yeah, me miss that. Me miss going to the beach and thing. And me miss just me youth friend them, hanging out with them. Like there's a difference in, it's so much more difficult to make genuine friends here. So I miss my friends back home, my genuine friends, and I miss with Sunday dinner where we used to cook every month. I miss you guys a lot. Yeah, but still I make the same choice again, so what to say. Miss Jamaica, but I'm happy in Japan. Yeah.
Number one thing is the food. You know, access to getting certain things when you want it, party and them thing there. Other thing would be friends and family, you know. You can just jump up and run, go link some friends and, you know, just hang out with them for a while. Those are the two things I miss the most about Jamaica.
I miss patties the most and pepper shrimp. Yeah.
Patties and shrimp?
Patties and shrimp.
Oh my God, I miss the food. Number one, I miss my friends. I miss church, definitely. And I miss the freedom to get the hair products that I use all the time. Oh my God, like, yeah. What else? I miss my hairdresser, I miss my nail technician. I miss the culture. Yeah, you know, I really miss that. But it is what it is.
Wagwan Jamaica, bless up and running, so things said. What I miss about Jamaica? Well, first of all, I miss my family. Well, Japan culture is a totally different culture from Jamaica. So, you know, I miss Jamaican lifestyle. So I have to be truth about that. But at the end of the day, I have to just appreciate another culture. You understand? So, up and running, so things said.
Alright, so what I miss from Jamaica? First, I miss my family. I miss the food. Some saltfish and ackee with some fried breadfruit. Yeah, and yeah, overall, I miss the culture. Okay, so overall, I miss the food.
I like most about Jamaica, the people. They're very nice, lovely, and they're loud, but in a good way. And I also quite like the various foods there, as they're very tasty.
All right, thanks, no problem. I hope you go back to Jamaica pretty soon.
Thank you.
All right?
Let's see. I miss the food. I think I should really kidnap my mother and bring her over here and just keep her in my apartment and keep her cooking. I miss the beaches because when people tell you there's a beach in Japan and you go there, it don't look anything like a beach. And apparently sometimes if you go in the water, you probably come out with only 8 or 10 toe because probably sitting in there to melt off your foot. I don't know. I think that's about it, you know. To be honest with you. I mean, the vibes back home are completely different to what it is here. You know, people know how to have fun. People know how to, you know, just lime, just chill. And here it's a thing where you have to organize like 3 months beforehand if you want to go out with some people. And not all of us live our lives like that, so it's kind of difficult at times. Yes. But all in all, though, I think it's a good life here. I mean, it's whatever you make of it, but going home every now and again is very much necessary. Yes. Does that answer your question, sir?
Beautiful beaches. I miss just shooting the breeze and hanging with friends and talking about nothing into the night, you know. Just drive up to somebody's house, them don't know you're coming, and them still open the door. And I miss my mother's cooking and access to proper ingredients for my food and the pork centers, the jerk. Although I try not to eat pork so much anymore, but I miss the jerk centers, you know. So I think that's about what I can think about right now.
I miss the ease of conversations. You don't have to think too much. It's just so easy, and you have to use a lot less words, and we talk a lot with our body and our hands, and it's just so easy to have a conversation in Jamaica. But it's so difficult here. It's hard work. It's a hard life in Japan. But I love it here though. Yes.
What I miss most about Jamaica, I think I miss the straightforwardness of the people. You know, the beach around the bush kind of lifestyle is definitely not me. It was never me. Some people beat around the bush in Jamaica still, but basically understand. Yeah, so mostly I just miss the culture. People, them little things there.
Okay, what I miss most about Jamaica is the food. Patty, bun and cheese. Yeah. Oh, and I miss my family. But I'm okay. I'm enjoying it here in Japan. Yeah.
Don't put that on the video now.
We are running off of the camera.
The culture, it's completely different here. So, you know, but as Ryan said, it's okay to appreciate.
It's okay. It's all right.
Okay, so
I don't know. I miss.
All right. So it's a run now. You just start. Okay. All right. Yes. So we are here, and yes.
I want to big up my baby father. My baby father, them. I joke. I'm not a baby father. I'm just a play. Don't put that on the video now.
She has several baby fathers.
Number one, baby father number one.
I met her today.